In this video, I'm going to show you how to use reply.io, one of the best tools for sales engagement and outreach automation. We'll go through each tab inside the platform, including sequences, people, AI, SDR, data, inbox, execution, and reports. And at the end, I'll also show you the different plans available. But here's the thing. Reply.io has one feature hidden inside these tabs that can completely change how your emails land in inboxes. Stick around because I'll reveal it when we get to sequences. So if you're just starting with reply.io or thinking about using it for your business, make sure you watch until the end. Let's start with the Sequences tab. This is where you create and manage your outreach campaigns. A sequence is basically a series of steps that help you contact prospects using email, LinkedIn, or even calls. Inside Sequences, you also have the email account section where you connect your email address so reply.io can send emails on your behalf. Next, you can connect your LinkedIn accounts to send connection requests or messages directly from Reply. Then we have templates. These are pre-written messages you can use again and again so you don't need to start from scratch every time. Imagine saving hours of typing every week. That's what templates do. There's also the Outbox, which shows you all emails that are scheduled or waiting to be sent, and the Schedules section where you can set the exact days and times your messages will go out. And here's the feature I teased earlier, Email Warm-Up. This one is a game changer. It slowly increases the number of emails you send each day, which keeps you out of the spam folder. Without it, your entire outreach strategy could fail. But with it, your emails actually land where they should. Next is the People tab. This is where all your contacts and accounts are stored. You can see individual contacts and the companies they belong to, and you can also use the marketplace to find new leads that are already verified. And here's a question. Would you rather build your contact list one by one or pull in verified prospects instantly? I'll let you decide. But the marketplace makes that second option possible. AI SDR tab. Moving on to the AI SDR tab. Here you'll find Jason AI, which is reply.io's AI sales development representative. It helps you automatically generate messages, follow-ups, and even handle conversations for you. Sounds powerful, right? But it gets better. You'll also see playbooks, which are step-by-step strategies you can follow for different outreach situations. Then there are offers, where you can showcase what you're promoting, and knowledge bases, where the AI can pull information from to make your outreach smarter and more personalized. Imagine having an AI that actually knows your product as well as you do. That's what this tab is all about. Data tab. Now let's check out the Data tab. Here you'll find real-time B2B data. This means you can search for decision makers and verified contacts across many industries. And here's something you might not expect. The search history. It might sound simple, but when you're running large campaigns, being able to revisit exactly who you searched before can save you from repeating the same work over and over. Little detail. Big time saver. Inbox tab. The Inbox tab is where you can see all your incoming replies from prospects. Keeps everything in one place so you don't have to switch between email or LinkedIn. And here's a small twist. There's also an SMS inbox. So if email is slow, you can switch gears and keep the conversation going through text. That flexibility can be the difference between closing a deal and losing it. Execution tab. The Execution tab is where you handle daily tasks. Here you'll see tasks assigned to you, integrations with other tools you use, meeting booking features, and triggers that automate actions based on your prospect's behavior. And here's a quick example. Imagine someone replies positively to your email. Instead of manually moving them to the next step, a trigger can do it instantly, saving you time and making sure no lead slips through the cracks. I'll show you how that connects perfectly with reports in just a second. Next, we have the Reports tab. This is where you can track all your results. You can measure channel efficiency to see which outreach channel works best, whether it's email, LinkedIn, or calls. And here's the part most people overlook. You can also check team performance. So if you're leading a sales team, this isn't just about data. It's about knowing who's performing well and who might need extra support. Those insights can completely change how you manage your team. Finally, let's take a look at the plans. Based on what's shown here, Reply.io offers 3 main options. The AI SDR starter plan is $300 per month, billed annually. It's perfect for small teams and gives you up to 500 active contacts. The AI SDR growth plan, which is the most popular, is $1,500 per month billed annually, and it supports up to 5,000 active contacts. And for large-scale operations, there's the AI SDR Enterprise Plan at $10,000 per month billed annually. This one gives you 25,000 active contacts and more advanced features. Now here's the big question. Do you really need the $10,000 plan? For most people, the starter or growth plan is more than enough. But if you're running huge operations, Enterprise is the way to go. And that's your complete tour of Descript. We covered everything from the home dashboard to advanced AI features, and even how to pick the right plan. But here's a question for you. Which feature are you most excited to try first? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear. And if this video helped you out, hit that like, subscribe, and maybe even share it with a friend who's still editing the hard way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.